Looking for an option to simplify your concrete pouring? Check out our concrete pouring bucket. What is a concrete pouring bucket and how is it best used? These concrete buckets are made for pouring in small, complex, or boggy sites. Sites where you may struggle to back a concrete truck when pouring. They can also be used for more than just concrete. They're good for pouring where you need to put pea gravel or aggregate into drainage trenches. The huge benefit of the concrete bucket is that you have only one cost of the attachment. This saves where you have continual expenses with a concrete pump. Pumps are usually a lot more expensive or on a lot longer lead time, which can cause projects to go behind schedule. Having a concrete bucket, you can pour wherever, whenever you need it. Concrete buckets are made in the most popular size ranges to fit the most common excavators in the industry. We offer concrete buckets for 5-ton to 25-ton excavators. Our 5 to 9-ton concrete pouring bucket is compatible with machines like the John Deere 85G, and this concrete pouring bucket can fit up to 90 gallons. The 12 to 25-ton concrete excavator pouring bucket is compatible with excavators like the Cat 325, and they have a capacity of 265 gallons. So all details about the weight and the capacity of the concrete pouring bucket is found on the data plate on the back of the bucket so that you can refer to it. So one of the main features of the concrete pouring bucket is the multi-pin pickup system. The multi-pin pickup system allows you to use different pins for the different size excavators. The inbuilt pin storage means you can safely store the pins while this concrete pouring bucket is in use. The most important feature of the concrete pouring bucket is the rounded chute. This isn't a standard feature in the industry, but it really improves your pouring accuracy. This chute allows you to pour with extreme precision around foundations, around pre-laid pipes, or into fence post holes. Your improved pouring accuracy helps reduce waste and spillage. Our concrete buckets are also supplied with an adjustable gate. This gate has concave and convex edges that allow you to adjust the flow rate of your material. This also can be removed for maximum flow rate. The chute is positioned slightly above the bottom of the bucket. This helps prevent any residual material running out onto the ground. We also recommend rinsing out the concrete after you're finished so that you don't have any excess weight or material in there. So how do you use the concrete pouring bucket? Firstly, make sure the gate is set to the correct flow for your job. Line the center of the bucket under the concrete chute. Make sure that the bucket is tilted back slightly to prevent any spillage. Once it is full, bring to the required location and begin to pour. So you can purchase these concrete pouring buckets either online or at your local machine dealer. These concrete buckets ship free to any of the lower 48 states, and we can get the concrete buckets to you within 4 to 7 business days. Want to know more about how to use the concrete pouring bucket? Check out our video here. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.